Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will be educating you on the Heikin Ashi candlestick pattern and how useful it is in identifying market trends. I will also be sharing a strategy on how to become profitable with this candlestick pattern along with the RSI indicator. Let us begin. Open MetaTrader. On the left side you will see Navigator. Under Navigator, you will see Indicators. Double-click Indicators. Here you will find many indicators. But today we will be using the Heikin Ashi indicator and the RSI indicator. Press H on the keyboard or scroll down to locate Heikin Ashi. Please follow along carefully to customize these. Indicator. You can pause or rewatch the video if you missed anything. Change shadow of bull candlestick to green. Then change bull candlestick body to green. Select OK to save. Next right-click on the chart. Or press F8 to select Properties. Under the Common tab, unselect Show Grid. Next you will select the Colors tab. Change background to white. Then change foreground to black. Press OK. Or enter on the keyboard to save these settings. Zoom in about 2 or 3 times. You can press the Shift key and the plus sign located under F11 to zoom in. Also ensure the chart is set to bar chart. Or press Alt+1. OK. Next we will be adding the RSI indicator. The RSI indicator is located close to the bottom of the indicators list. Or just click on an indicator and press R. Double-click to open it. Click on the Levels tab. Change the first level to 16 and the second level to 80. You can change the style, line thickness, and color to your choosing. Next, I will be adding my own indicator to the chart. This is a special indicator. It will give notifications and display arrows when the market is overbought or oversold. I developed this indicator to catch moves within the market. It works perfectly for those of us who have busy days and are missing out. We will be using the strategy on the 1-minute and 5-minute time frame. Note the arrows, you will see the market reverse immediately or in a couple of minutes. After the RSI crosses above 80 or below 16. I will be making a video soon on how to receive alerts to your phone.